Hello, I'm going to show you how to log in and register on the North Lakes U3AForum. This is an email I sent to my wife. She uses Hotmail. You might have got the link in another way, but whatever. Let's open it up. There's the explanation as to why you should log in. All good reasons, about 6, and we'd love you to log in. This is the link I want you to press in a minute. It gives you written instructions and a video on how to register and log in. It's going to connect us to the new website, but that's still under construction, so do continue to use the old site for now. This will do our purposes for now. Also, you can use this link I've put here, put that in your browser for future reference to get onto the website, to the forum, I beg your pardon. And also, don't hesitate to email me or call me or text me if you need any help from now on. It's no problem at all. Right, so let's go forward and press the link. Now, depending on how fast your email connection is, your internet connection is, depending on where you are in Cumbria, Bolton, Cleven's not too bad, but Morton and places are quite dreadful for speed. Now, that is. I've just made it bigger so that we can see what we're looking at. That's our link to the new forum. Down the sides there's all the buttons to press. We're at the P&NL forum. There's two options. That will click us and take us directly to the forum, which is what I'm going to do in a minute. But when you start the system, I want you to press that one to play this video, which I'm recording at this moment. Right, so I'm going to take us now to do the registration. Again, a new window opens up. I'll make it bigger by going to the maximize button and clicking that. And this is a view a guest would get. That's anybody, Joe Public, you right now are getting this view, and that's all you can see is basic information on how new users can start here. And actually what I've done again is to give you the same information you're getting here, so I'm catching you from every angle. So back to the board index. I can log in or register with those buttons, or these buttons up here, log in and register. You may have to scroll your screen to the laterally to the right to be able to see this part to the right. If your resolution is not as high as this computer's resolution is, you're getting the whole screen here at once, and that applies to anything below as well. Okay, so we're going to register now. Press the button. It gives you a chance to agree or disagree with the terms. If you disagree, you don't join. We'll agree, and away we go. Very simple terms. I'm going to log in as my wife. You don't have to have any special name. I'm going to use Sue G. You can have between 3 and 20 character username. One you can remember is a good idea. Your email address, well, with a bit of luck, I've got a memory of Susan's in my system. I'm going to actually cheat again and copy that. Whoops. Control C, Control V, paste it in. It needs to, because you have to confirm it. A password, think of one, it is case sensitive, so Sue lowercase 2010. Choose something simple, repeat it because it wants confirmation. Language, British English will do me. The time zone is winter time, Greenwich Mean Time, that's fine. This is the most important part to fill in, the confirmation code. Here it is. This is generated by the computer. It's unique every time you log in to alter something on your forum. Not every time you when you're registering, that is. So we type out those letters. It's U. It can be lowercase. It doesn't matter in this instance. 1 for Y. They're all lowercase. Submit. With a bit of luck. Yes, it's accepted it. Thank you for registering. Your account has been created. You may now log in with your username and password. At that point, what you could do actually is close this down if you wish. And now you can access the forum via the website by clicking that again. And this time you log in. This is how you'd log in usually. Let's make that bigger. You can log in here or up here, whichever suits you, and put your username and password in. Now, instead of being a guest, you're going to be an honoured member. So it's Sue2010 and I'll log in automatically each time I visit in future. I can hide my status online so that friends can't see what you're doing. If you crafty. I'm not bothered. It's log in. Now what we get, hopefully, is the full Monty. All the forum topics, including this time the first two we saw for guests, and each of the different groups that are on the system. I can start now immediately blogging away. Information here about Cedric Bell that was at a recent meeting. I can go in, I can add topics by posting a reply, but I'm going to leave that now for another time. Many thanks for your time and happy blogging.